Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Flagstar Bank Review My Usage Experience. Flagstar Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to analyze and understand your interactions with Flagstar Bank. It's primarily aimed at existing Flagstar Bank customers who want a clearer picture of their accounts, transactions, and overall banking activity. Key features likely include transaction history visualization, fee analysis, and potentially some budgeting tools. Their website provides details on the specific functionalities offered. Their website highlights ease of use and access to your financial data. They emphasize secure access and transparency. They don't explicitly mention contracts or hidden fees, which is a positive. The exact methods for data access aren't detailed on the surface, but security is a prominent feature. Availability is limited to existing Flagstar Bank customers, naturally. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Flagstar Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. After logging in with my existing Flagstar Bank credentials, the dashboard loaded quickly. The interface is clean and intuitive, much better than I expected. I was able to easily filter my transactions by date, type, and amount. I used this feature to quickly identify a recurring subscription I had forgotten about, saving me a few dollars. The visualization tools were quite helpful, especially the charts showing my monthly spending patterns. I found analyzing my spending habits surprisingly straightforward. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. It felt a little inconvenient to only be able to access it from my desktop. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clearly they laid out my transaction history. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to export data in a CSV format. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Flagstar Bank Review My Usage Experience. It's a useful tool for anyone wanting a more in-depth understanding of their Flagstar Bank account activity. That's my overview of Flagstar Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.